Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Aparna Karn. It's me Aparna and today I'm sharing it with you all. This look right here, this is all I created for an Indian party look and this is all under 200. Like what you see so far, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button and the notification bell which appear after it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found this video very helpful, and this video is quite to be long as my previous video as compared to my previous video because few of my viewers has complained that I don't talk or interact with you all in my videos. So your wish is my command. I thought like this video will be perfect to interact with you all, and the tips and the tricks, everything will be in this video, like how you can carry this glamorous look at this affordable range. So yeah, just keep on watching. Starting with prepping my skin. So for that we need primer and a moisturizer. So here I have two options. Like one is this Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is only 60 to 80 rupees. It is absolutely gorgeous on the skin. It well moisturizes your skin, plus it acts as a primer, so it's 2-in-1. And the next one which I have is all of us favorite Lacto Calmin lotion. This is the oil balance lotion because it is for oily skin, because I have oily skin. So it also acts as a moisturizer and as a primer. So if you don't want to invest in a primer particularly, you can get these online, offline, like in your general store also. These are easily available. For today I'll be using this Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is how it looks. It looks like a greeny pigment, but it is just like a hint of green, which I superly nourished and hydrated, and it is perfect for oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. Every skin can use it. Yeah, I will wait for a few minutes so that it can get settled on my skin, and then we will move on to our base makeup. It has a primer feel also. It is kind of sticky, so it has that primer feel also. Base, I'm only using a concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. So this is of rupees only 169 and it is absolutely gorgeous on the skin. I'm in the shade 04 medium beige, so I'm just putting it where I need it. This is highlighting concealer for my skin. A beauty blender with this. Okay, so I have a lot of question regarding the beauty blender. See, Blue Heaven has a really variety of beauty blender which is under 200 and they are absolutely gorgeous. Very good beauty blender, and I'm recommending you like close your eyes and go and pick that one out if you are on a budget for a beauty blender that is extremely beautiful. I'm just wetting this up with the Gulabari Rose water. This is also of rupees 75. Can you believe? So each and every product I'm using is under 200, whether it is my sponge, my rose water, everything. There is a trick of apply concealer. Just apply it only the highest point and just to lengthening your face. Like I just drag the concealer from here to here so that it instantly lift up my eyes and I look more awake. So now tip number 2, if you are going for a party with this makeup look, avoid flashbacks which you generally get when you are getting photographs or you get selfies. And yeah, don't flash photography basically. If you are getting selfie using a flash, then also you can get your flashback. So for cancelling that blunder of your photos, I will be setting my face with a loose powder under my eyes and with a compact right rest of my face, so that it had that color which my skin has, so that it doesn't give me that flashback. So here I'm giving you two options. So first one is the Lakme loose powder, rose powder, actually Lakme rose powder with sunscreen, and the second one is the Maybelline super fresh white compact. Like this is a 160 rupees or 170 and this is a 120 rupees, so both are under 200. For setting my under eyes, as I said, I will be using the Lakme powder. For my rest of my face, I will be using this compact, and as you can see, I almost hit pan on this. I genuinely like this. So I'm taking my beauty blender, the back of the beauty blender, and just stamping it all over my face. one brush. You can get these type of brushes from Amazon. It is under 200 as well. So it is quite few minutes now since it is sitting on my face, so I'll be removing my powder. And so now let's move on to the brows. For the brows, you can get tons of pencils and eyebrow pencils and mascara are there, which is under 200. I'll be using a 10 rupees hack. This is the Pears soap. I think you have seen a lot of these hacks on the Instagram. So yeah, I bought this quite a while ago. My soap and my rose water. I'm just spraying it like this. Get a little liquidy, and then I'm using my spoolie, eyebrow spoolie. So set your eyebrow for the longest time you will ever imagine. Like, I know someone will find it gross, but trust me, this is the most beautiful hack you can ever do. You don't need any brow mascara, no need of tinted gel. It will just set your eyebrows for the entire day and night. And can you see the difference? Like, this side of my face look more lifted, more tilted and more structured, whereas this side looks super dull and there is no structure going on. So yeah, this is what the eyebrow makes you feel. Eyeshadow pencil. This is in the shade brown, like 11 number. It's brown plus 11 number. So I got this from local store, and this is only for just rupees 20. Like, if you're a beginner and you have a problem with eyeshadow, just take this, scribble it all over your lid, only your lid, not on your crease. Take your middle finger. So yeah, it act as a color of your lid, and whatever is the left on your finger, just put like this. It will act as a crease shadow as well, and that's it. And there is only one which I can recommend, and that is the Bella Verste pen eyeliner. This is great, and this is like proper thin tip. So it also under, or I think I got it on sale, but if you keep an eye on this liner, you can easily get it under 200. But there is kajal. This is the Lakme iconic kajal. This is also under 200. Just move on to the lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'm going to have two options for you. The first one is the ADS Pro Matte Edition, and the second one is again the Matte Me Ultra Smooth Lip Cream, and this is also from ADS Pro. So these two you can easily get under 200. So for today, I think I'll go with this one, and I'll use a little bit on the back of my hand, just a little bit, and wait till it dry. Till then, I will apply it on my lips. If you want, you can also apply what do you call it, false eyelashes, but I don't think I get like a good eyelashes under 200, and I don't think many of the beginners are comfortable wearing the eyelashes, so I thought like just skip that part and just this is how it looks. This is also very beautiful. You can easily create this with like on a very good affordable rate.